I'm Cole Agar, Director of Graduate and International Programs at the School of Transnational Law. And today I'm drinking tea and answering questions about internships. So, the most common question we get is, can you intern during your LLM program? And the answer is yes. A common alternative question is, do you have to do an internship in order to graduate? And the answer is no. One of the most important questions to many of our applicants is if you can get paid for an internship. Yes, you can. This would depend on you and the employer, what you've negotiated in terms of salary or just the nature of the position. But we've certainly seen LLM students make something like $1,000 a month as part of a paid internship. So this is something that can help cover some of your costs during the program. How long does an internship usually last? This also depends. I would say typically maybe 2 to 4 months is common, but there's not a rule about it. We've seen students intern for an entire year during the program. A related question is whether internships are full-time or part-time. This is also, depends on the position. What I would say is most employers want someone who can commit to a full-time work schedule. So what that usually means is the time during the program that you would be more likely to intern would be during the second year after you've completed most or all of your coursework during the first year. Many applicants are interested in where previous LLM students have interned. A number have interned at Chinese law firms, some at international law firms that have offices in China. Others have interned in the in-house counsel department at some of the big Chinese companies based in Shenzhen. So places like Huawei, BYD, but it could be other things as well. You could intern at an arbitration center, or if you speak Chinese, even a courthouse. It could even be at some international organization or an embassy in China. So there's a range of different opportunities that you could look at.
During that time, I joined Yangtze Law. It's a British firm, wholly owned by Chinese, and with a branch in Shenzhen. So the Shenzhen branch is considered as a foreign firm in Shenzhen. So they were looking for someone who is qualified as an attorney in any African country, preferably in the common law jurisdiction. And I happened to fit the bill, so I applied and I joined the firm. Now, I didn't think of joining any other place because as of now, I've been given the mandate to set up a branch office in Kampala, which will be the first Chinese firm in Africa.
Some students wonder if they will need a work visa or some special type of visa to intern. Kind of yes, kind of no. You don't need a work visa. What you should get, though, is something called an internship note. And it's basically a sticker that goes in your passport, like a visa, that says you are allowed to intern while you are still enrolled as a student at a university. And then a big question, can the school help you to find an internship? Yes, we can. STL actually has a dedicated career services department, and one of the things they can do is help you to find opportunities. So this could be things like forwarding you job leads that they've heard about. It could be, organizing on-campus interviews or, panel discussions with potential employers. But it could be other things as well, like reviewing your resume or, helping you with interview skills training workshops. So there's a range of things that we can help you to do to take advantage of one of these opportunities. Okay, my tea's getting cold, and that's the questions I have for today. If there's anything else you want to know about, whether it's about internships or some other aspect of our program, please feel free to reach out to us. I have a link below in the description to our admissions office. Send us an email, ask us anything you'd like.